They keep telling me stay on the low. I'll be better off burning slow. I should learn how to get back in line, but I'm gonna take what's mine. Shake me, you can try and break me, but baby, you got it wrong. I won't play along, 'cause I will rise, you can't hold me
I need to get some def.
down. Watch me unfold, I'll keep.
If nothing has changed, today I have 3 loads pre-planned on me. Coppel to drop at Amazon, pick up from the container store around the same area, bring it back to the rail, and then take a load back to the container store.
It's strong, and I won't hide, I will live it loud. Through highs and the lows, I won't let go. Undeniable, undeniable.
So I'm just pre-planned for 2 loads, the one going to Amazon and the one picking up from the container store. The third one that picks up from the container store is for tomorrow. No, that delivers to the container store is for tomorrow. Sometimes the loads they plan us on for the following day will sometimes show on the app, but actually that's for tomorrow. So I'm just gonna go do this delivery at Amazon, pick up one from the container store, bring it back, and then I'll see what else they have for me.
I am done playing somebody else. Gonna love on me and myself, and I'm gonna take all that fire inside, and I'm gonna run till the river runs dry. Shake me, you can try and break me, but baby, you got it wrong. I won't play along, 'cause I will rise, you can't hold me down. Watch me unfold, I'll keep it strong, and I won't hide, I will live it loud. Through highs and the lows, I won't let go. Undeniable,
Made it to Amazon. Now I just need to go check in, have my paperwork signed. One thing I don't like about this particular Amazon site is they really take long to come to sign our paperwork. Every time I've come here, it's like you have to stand here for some time before somebody comes out.
they keep telling me stay on the low. I'll be better off burning slow. I should learn how to get back in line, but I'm gonna take what's mine.
So I'm right now at the container store doing my pickup. I'm ready to take it to the rail. I was really delayed by Amazon. It took me more than an hour just to drop off that load. But I'm now loaded up, so it's time to head to the rail.
Take me, you can try and break me, but baby, you got it wrong. I won't play along, 'cause I will rise, you can't hold me down. babe, you got it wrong. I won't play along, cause I will rise, you can't hold me down. Watch me unfold, I'll keep it strong. And I won't hide, I will live it loud. Through highs and the lows, I won't let go. Undeniable. Undeniable.
I'm back at the rail, but I don't have a pre-plan on me yet. Okay, so they hooked me up with 2 loads. I'm heading to General Mills to drop off this one, and then I'm gonna go to Walmart in DeSoto to pick up one. They want it in door 17.
Cause I will rise, keep telling me stay on below. Undeniable.
Break time.
Cause I will rise, I should learn how to get back in line.
So I ingated that load from Walmart to the rail, and then they gave me a load that is right here at the yard. I'm supposed to ingate it to the rail, which means chances are they don't have anything close by or something for me to do, so I'm not even gonna bother asking them. The time right now is 22:58. I'm gonna ingate this and then get out of here.
They keep telling me stay on the low. I'll be better off burning slow. I should learn how to get back in line. But I'm gonna take what's mine. Shake me, you can try and break me, but baby, you got it wrong. I won't play along, cause